Hello, today I will show you short review about Audi A4 B6. I was bought this car 1 month ago from my colleague, and this car I use in the winter when the salt on the road, and this, how I say, was the good work car. Okay, about Audi. Audi is 22 years old. There's somewhere is the rust, but nothing bad. The interior is pretty good. I cleaning everything. I take out all seats and cleaning very well, because car before was a little bit dirty. There I clean everything. Everything is clean. Everything is fine. Okay, what can I tell you more? This car is one interesting extra. The solar panel on the roof. When the winter time or summertime, all time working to the salon ventilator, and in winter inside is the warm, and summer is the cold. Okay, open the engine bay and I show what I do, what I fix. First job, what I do, I change to the timing belt. The friend give me the new set. I just need to the change new thermostat. This is the here under the plastic. And today I change all filters: fuel filter, air filter, cabin filter, and there is a the oil filter and the oil, yeah. And see today how the car working. Okay, start the engine. I like this interior. 22 years, but interior and salon is very good. What is the interesting? The mileage. The mileage is original. Check the mileage. Is 615. This is original. Music work very well. No mistakes on the panel. And I show you how to work the engine. I think I need this belt change as well. The timing belt is the change and everything work is good. 600 kilometers original Audi. And the question is about interior. How many the real Audi is the cars, who is the 200, and steering wheels is the very bad, seats is the very bad, but there is, for this car is very good, I think. Everything work is good, gearbox work is good. There is the parking sensor. Okay, and the price, what I give about this car, what you think? Yeah, price is the 500 euros. I say 400 because the friend gave me the new timing belt set. Yeah, and that's it. If you have some question about this car, ask me in the comment. Tomorrow I show you new review about another car. That's it. See you in the next video. If you like my channel, subscribe. Bye.